Hey guys, what's up people of the world? In today's video, we are going to unbox random packages from Lazada. So as you can see, I do have a lot of package right over here. I really don't know what is the items that I ordered because it all came out at the same time. So let's count how many packages we do have right now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages all in all. So we're going to do the random unboxing of these packages from Lazada. This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix D Rulo channel. We're in this channel featuring the finest Bluetooth microphone speaker and promoting easy karaoke access anytime, anywhere. So if you do have a passion for singing or simply loves karaoke, this channel is for you. So come join me. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button for some upcoming uploads and updates. Random unboxing of all these packages starts now. Okay guys, let's start with the small one over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, what we got here. Yes. So I think it looks like this is actually a knife sharpener, guys. A knife sharpener. Very nice. Put this one on this side. Next one. Alright. As you can see, it's like a knife, a balisong knife. But it's actually a comb. Okay. There you go. Stainless steel comb. Okay. Flip this balisong. There we go. So working fine. So you can actually practice also with this one. Okay. Very nice. Is it functional? Let's see. All right. Okay. It works just fine. Balisong comb knife. Okay. Very nice. Okay, another one over here. Another small box. Let's see what's inside. Okay. There we go. Alright. Very nice, guys. So what we got over here is a stiletto knife. Okay, very nice. Unlock it over there. Okay. It's also a comb. Okay. There we go. Okay. Stiletto knife style comb. So let's unlock the knife. So it's a stiletto comb knife. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Also works. Okay. Very nice. The stainless clip right over here. The locking mechanism on top. Okay. And then the button over here. So if you're gonna use the comb, and if you feel like combing your hair with style, you can use this one. See? Alright. Alright, very nice. There you have it. A stiletto comb knife. Palisong comb knife. Let's try it again. Quite satisfying. Okay, there you go. Alright, very nice. Alright. Okay, so maybe I can practice some new tricks on this balisong. Okay. Okay. But still a little bit stiff. Okay. Try it again. Maybe let's do on the other side. Okay. There we go. Okay. Still steep, guys. There we go. Okay, the balisong comb knife. That's it. And the stiletto comb knife. Unlock. Okay. There you go. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Okay, so it's also a stainless steel knife with the resin handle. Okay, the blade is a comb blade, also a stainless steel. Okay, very nice. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, all right. That's it. The stiletto comb knife. Very nice. Okay, next one. Let's do this one. Okay. Alright, it's a motorcycle side mirror. Yes, very nice. Replacement side mirror for my other electric vehicle, the Spider. My Spider electric bike. Okay. There you go. Nice and big mirrors, side mirrors. Okay. So we got side mirrors for the motorcycle, for my Star 8 electric bike. Put it right over here. Next one. This is quite heavy. Let's see what it is. Magic Gatas cleaning solution for my electric bikes. Okay. It comes with the cloth as well. So we are going to test that later. We are going to clean all of my electric vehicles today, scheduled today. So it's a good thing that it arrives, Magic Gatas cleaning solution for my electric vehicles. Okay. Next one, let's see what it is. Okay. Ooh la la, a JBL speaker, guys. JBL speaker, Pulse 4. Okay. Let's see. Okay. JBL speaker. Okay. Inside the box, orange cable. So manual. Let's see this thing. JBL Pulse 4. Okay. Let's see if it works. Let's power it up right over here. Power on. Yes, that's it. Okay. Okay. Let's try to connect this Bluetooth speaker to our cell phone, shall we? Let's test the JBL. The JBL Pulse 4 is connected to the cell phone. Let's play a movie trailer.
Mr. Ward, how would you like
Hey, it's working, yeah.
$2 million on a warm summer's evening on a train?
Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll show you a romantic body horror film, Spring. Spoiler ahead, watch out and take care.
Okay.
Evan is a young and average boy who has just lost his mother to cancer. The day. Oh.
Okay, it also changes the lights. See that, guys? Very nice, very nice. What else does it does? Oh, a radio. Sorry, we don't have a nice reception right over here. Let's continue. So the JBL Pulse 4 is working fine. Okay, that's it. Right. Turn off. Okay. Last one. Last but not the least. Let's see. Ooh. It's a Bluetooth microphone, guys. It's a Western Bluetooth microphone WS858L. So that is the model. Okay. And also on this side, there's the color variants. They have pink, red, gold, silver, black. Let's see what's inside. The box is actually kaput already, kaput. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, we got a silver. There we go. Silver microphone. And the USB cable and the manual. Okay. Let's try to turn it on. Try to turn this one on. Low bat, no power. Oh, that's it. Alright, so we got also some LED light effects on the microphone. Hello sound. Okay. Let's put some also there is mic volume. You got the echo. You got some treble as well. Okay. Let's see how it sounds. Hello sound. That's right. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I try to find. Your love is superb. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize always be beautiful in my eyes. Guys, there you have it, guys. The random unboxing of all these packages from Lazada. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Mix D saying keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam!